All right, what's up, everybody? Thanks for joining this next break. We have a hobby box here of 2025 Epoch Disney Princess. Uh, as you can see by the box, it is a Japanese product. Um, there's supposedly a lot of like really fun stuff in here. You're supposed to get some numbered stuff. I think there's at least two numbered cards per box. And I think there's good chances for really low numbered stuff in here as well. So there are 12 packs in the box, so we had 6 spots in the break. So that means each spot is going to get 2 packs. So what I'm going to do is we'll rip the box open. I'm going to mix the packs up, and then I'm going to go straight down the list, and I'm going to do that twice. So for the first pack, I'll go straight down. It'll be Jake, Rob, and then Alana. We'll have 4 straight packs, and then we'll go straight back up. It'll be Jake, Rob, and then Alana again. That way I'm not doing like the 2 packs and then moving on. I think it'll be more fun to do it this way. So 1 pack at a time per spot, and then we'll reset, if that makes sense. All right, here we go. Crappy razor blade. There we go. Very cool looking packs for sure. Definitely put some effort into these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Alright. Now, like I said, I'll just kind of mix the packs around like so. I'm just going to randomly do this. I have no idea what would be where. And then what I'll do when I go through and choose packs to rip for everybody, I'll choose packs randomly as well. So hopefully that's a decent mix right there. And this first pack will go to Jake. So I'll grab a random pack like so, and we'll get started. So good luck, Jake. Good luck, everybody. Let's have some fun and see what these cards look like. I'm excited for this. I like Disney products. These are very interesting cards for sure. They all look very different from one another. First one here is a Moana card. It's very interesting, as you can see there. It's kind of a silhouette card. And then we get the Evil Queen, Premium Witch, it says, Dreamless Sleep, Maleficent, Aurora. That's a nice looking card there. Sorry for the glare. Experimenting with a new camera angle tonight as well, so apologies, I'm working that out. That's a cool card. Pocahontas. Nothing numbered so far. And then just a Beautiful inside and out. So pretty fun so far. Good mix. Very diverse looking cards. So that is Jake's first pack. Alright, Rob will be next. Pack number 1 for Rob. Good luck to you, sir. Alright, so we're going to have a Moana card here. This is a cool looking one. Very colorful. Flower on the back there. I like that one. Cinderella. Move these a little closer. Very similar to the Moana card. Then we get one of these silhouette cards of Mulan. That's pretty cool. Always Be Kind. Looks like some kind of foil card. A little bit different than the one we saw last time, with all of the princesses on it. Find my sleeves here. That one looks like it deserves to be sleeved. Oh, there they are. Had them in the wrong spot. And last card in that pack is going to be an Ariel. These cards look really nice. This one has like a matte finish to it. It's kind of neat. So there you go, Rob. That's pack number 1. Forgot to mention, I'm also doing a little bit of a giveaway here in this box. The person who hits the lowest numbered card using the number to the left of the slash will get a full refund, so you'll get some free cards. Thought that would be a fun thing to do here. So here's spot number 3, Alana's first spot. Alana will have a total of 8 packs tonight. Alright, here we go. This one says a lot of different sayings on it. Always be kind, never stop dreaming, whole new world, make a wish, best day ever, be true to you, I always make a splash, never give up. A lot of encouraging thoughts there. It's a fun little card. Definitely a fun product for kids, I would say. Cinderella here. Really nice Rapunzel card coming up next. It's kind of got a mirror finish to it there. You can see my ugly mug in the background. I'm going to sleeve that one up. There's some scuffing on it, unfortunately. Cool card, though. Be Kind. And then a base Rapunzel. So a couple Rapunzels in there. And there's Alana's first pack. Next one is spot number 4. So this will be Alana as well. Princess Aurora, one of the silhouette cards. I like these ones. Very unique, for sure. This is a Cinderella card. Kind of an outline of Cinderella. It's kind of hard to see there. Belle. This one looks like it's a foil of some sort. It's a little bit different than the other one, which had a matte finish. This one's shiny. Always Be Kind, and Ariel. So nothing numbered that I've noticed yet. I was hoping to get more than 2. Alright, spot number 5. This will also be for Alana. Belle. See the good in all things. Tiana. A really cool Moana outline. And then a Snow White as well. Alright. And then Alana will get one more pack here, and then we'll go back to the top. I'll grab off the bottom this time. Alright, Moana. The kids love that movie so much. Here's a cool Ursula card. Shoot, that might be my favorite card that we've pulled. It's just a base Ursula, but it looks super cool. Cinderella. And then we're going to get one of these mirror cards of Jasmine. A lot of these have some scuffing on them. You can kind of see right there. Unfortunately. That's a cool one. And then Snow White, a base Snow White in the back. So there's Alana's first 4 packs. Now we're going to go back to the top of the list. Next pack will be for Jake. And this is Jake's second and final pack. Belle. Really cool Maleficent card, just kind of like that Ursula card. That's really cool looking. This looks like Ariel. It's really hard to see. I have to put it in the glare so you can see it there. So you can see there's like different styles. The card is basically the same, but this one kind of is just like the outline. And then this one, I'm assuming, would be the base. A book is a dream you hold in your hand. A Belle card there in the back. So there's Jake's second pack. And Rob's second pack. Still haven't seen anything numbered yet. Makes me wonder, like, I always get freaked out. I shouldn't get freaked out. We'll probably see them soon. There's one of these outline cards of Belle. Sorry about that. Bad camera angle there. There's another one of these Ursula cards. And then one of the mirror cards of Mulan. Very cool. Oh, you have an autograph. Rob, you got an auto. Let's go to the back. Merida from Brave. Let's look at the auto. Princess Tiana, is this an autograph? I don't know if that's an actual autograph, but it is low numbered to 20. I can't tell. It's hard to find the info on these as well. I can't tell if that's printed on there or not, or if it's written. We'll have to investigate that further. Because if that's an autograph, that's pretty freaking cool. I'm sorry, I can't tell. I cannot tell. And I could not find anything about autographs on these. Either way, I mean, it's low numbered. At best, it's 13 out of 20. So you're at least in the running for the refund as well, Rob. So there you go. I mean, it looks like an autograph to me. Alright, these last 4 packs all go to Alana. Just in time. You missed your first 4 packs. Nothing numbered. You had a few non-base that were worth sleeving up. There should be at least one more numbered card in this box, so we'll see. This one, Be True to You. Choose Happy. Choose Happy. I think you did. This looks like a really nice Snow White card. It's almost like a foil. again, it's really hard to tell, what I should be sleeving. This is a challenging box for sure. And then this one's like a refractor. Life is better when you dance. Lots of Snow White here. That was a Snow White, and then Snow White in the back as well. And this is numbered 22 out of 50. Life is better when you dance. 22 out of 50. So Rob's number so far is lower on the far left. We do have the two numbered cards now. We'll see if we get another one. Sorry for the slow rip tonight, everybody. And maybe the bad camera angle. I'm still adjusting to a new camera angle here. Tiana, base card of Tiana. And then we get one of the mirror cards of Tiana, which is cool. I just wish they weren't scuffed up. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of like scratched right along here. I know that kind of foil there sometimes leads to those types of issues. Jasmine, one of the silhouette cards there. Jasmine. Life is better when you dance. You get another one of these, the base this time. And then Rapunzel. Alana's last two packs. There's a Moana. One of the outline cards of Moana. Cinderella. A cool, beautiful Inside and Out. It's like a foil card. And then there's like a refractor behind it, so we'll see if that's numbered. That's pretty cool looking. This is Epoch Gem. Okay. I think this is one of the better hits. 13 out of 18.
Can I have one now?
There you go.
That's better.
It's a nice hit. Alana, there you go.
Right. Did Dad actually get distracted by she's grubbies?
Hey, Alana, can you mute your microphone for me?
From Hershey or something for free. For free? Something. I don't remember. How? Or maybe he bought them for me.
Alana, can you mute? Snow White? So I believe, Rob, your numbered card was 13 as well. On the left. Yeah, it was 13 out of 20. So we have a tie so far. And that means it would be $5.50 going back to each person, as stated in my channel. This says, it's a good day to be happy. Lots of positive affirmations in these cards. Cinderella, that's cool looking, with the slipper inside the heart. Mulan. Pocahontas, this one is like a foil. And Ariel in the back. See if this Pocahontas is numbered. It is not. So we did end up with 3 numbered cards. And we have the mystery of whether or not that one is actually an auto. I'm going to investigate that a little bit more. But we did get a tie. Rob and Alana, you both hit a numbered card that was numbered 13 out of something, which means each of you, for the spot that you claimed, will get $5.50 back. So let me write that down. Make sure I get that back to you. All right. Well, there we go. Tomorrow, if not tomorrow, maybe tomorrow I have a really busy day. I'm going to be gone for about 13 hours tomorrow. I may not have time to post the break hits, but I'll post break hits when I get a chance here in the next couple of days, very likely Thursday morning sometime. And tonight I'll get the video up for everybody in case somebody wants to see it. But either way, that was a fun box. That was pretty cool. The cards look pretty cool. I was surprised at how diverse they all are. It seemed like there was kind of a pattern in each pack. But I was happy to see that there were 3 total numbered cards as opposed to just the 2. And then we'll really have to look into that autograph slash maybe not an autograph card. Hey, appreciate that, Steven. Yep, feeling about 90% or so. So stronger every day. Appreciate it. This was a lot of fun. It feels good to be back. Feels good to be back on my feet. And also, real quick, congratulations to Alana on the marriage. That's awesome. So, lots of good things going on. All right, so that'll be it, everyone. Again, I'll post break hits probably on Thursday when I have time, but I'll post the video tonight. All right, thank you.